Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hello. Okay, a quick hi to everyone. Hi. So I hope you all are doing great and doing awesome. Yes, give me a good thumbs up. Yes, thumbs up. Okay, great, great. So I can see so many faces joining us today. So many kids, so many happy kids. And I really love when you all smile and giggle. And are you all excited for today's class? Yes, super excited. Okay, very good, everyone. Okay, so I can see many of friends are still joining us, and that is so good. The more, the better. So we'll be making some yummy, yummy, wonderful dishes with more friends, right? And you know what class is today? Anybody knows? Anybody has any idea what class is today? Okay, so this is the flameless cooking class with your Shruti ma'am. Okay, and I really hope that you all love the class. You all love the dishes that we make together today. Okay, so welcome everybody to the class. Welcome everyone. I'm so happy to see you all again. So I have my old faces. I have new friends also who have joined in. Yes, are you all also able to recognize your friends? Some of your friends you might have met earlier also, right? Yes, I can easily recognize the good beautiful faces. Okay, so any idea what are we going to make today? So what is the first dish that we are going to make today? Any idea anyone? Okay. So the first dish that we are going to make today is pomegranate potato mint raita. So it is a bit longer name, so you can call it a pomegranate raita or simply a potato mint raita also. But pomegranate is absolutely healthy and a wonder food for children as well as the adults. So it is a very easy dish and a very healthy one and a very simple dish to be made by the kids. Okay, you all will love to make it. It is so simple and so delicious. Every time you want to have some snacks or it is a wonderful side dish for your lunch and your dinners too. So are you all excited? Let me see your happy faces, everyone. Yes? Okay, good, very good. Okay, so I can see many more friends joining in. Welcome everyone. Join quickly and be ready with your ingredients if you are not already ready with them. Okay? So tell me something while others joined in. Let's have a quick chat. So, how many of you like to have fruits? Okay, good. Yes, you can give a thumbs up. You can do a hands up. Anything you may like. Okay, so many of you love to have fruits. That is so good because fruits are so healthy, right? And they are so nutritious, full of important vitamins, loaded with vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin A. Okay, so we should all have lots and lots of fruit. And every day there should be a mandatory, one serving or two serving of fruits that we should have. Yes, any fruits we can have, like bananas are so yummy, pomegranate is so good, full of rich in iron, right? It is so rich in iron. So we should have pomegranate almost every day. If not every day, every alternate day we should try and have it. And yes, it is a favorite fruit for everybody, right? Yeah, most of us, right? Most of us, yes. Okay, wonderful. So, and welcome to the class, everyone. So, let me just share the ingredients. We are going to make pomegranate potato mint raita today. Okay, and I would share my ingredients with you all, and we will go to the workstation quickly. Okay. Okay, so let me share the ingredients with you all. Okay. So, what all we need, I'll just tell you. Okay, so what I have is here. So I have curd. This is a fresh curd that we will need. You can take homemade curd or the one which comes from the market, not a problem. So anything available you can take. Okay, so I have these pomegranate arrows with me. So lovely, wonderful pomegranate arrows. Okay. Then I have this boiled and chopped potato. Boiled and chopped potato. Okay. And then I have this fresh coriander leaves. So I have chopped these leaves. I have washed them properly and chopped them. You can take more of these coriander leaves. These are very healthy and nutritious. Okay, so we should try and add them in every food that we make. Maybe all the vegetables also, they taste absolutely yum, absolutely flavorful when coriander leaves are added to them. So in our raita also we'll be adding the fresh coriander leaves. And the next ingredient I have is so this is the mint powder that I have. So this is the freshly homemade mint powder that I have. You can also use the fresh mint leaves that we have. So fresh mint leaves also you can take, you can wash the leaves and finely chop them, and we can directly add them to our curd to make a yummy raita. Okay, so what I have done is here, so this is another form of using mint in the longer run. So anytime it is available at your home. So I washed the mint, I have dried them, absolutely dried them, and then made it into a powder. And then I have stored it into a container. So whenever I feel like using it, I can use it very easily. Okay, so this is the mint available with me, mint powder that I'll be adding. So you can add the fresh mint leaves also. Okay, and then lastly I have my masala box ready. So I have salt, I have black pepper, okay, and then I have my bhuna jeera powder with me. So this is salt, black pepper, and then the bhuna jeera powder, which will make our raita absolutely delicious. And I always like to use, bhuna wa jeera or bhuna, roasted cumin seeds, you may call it. So these are the roasted cumin seeds which are powdered. So I've done that at home, and it can be easily done at home also. Okay, so anybody who has missed on the ingredients, okay, and what we are going to make today, I'll just repeat. We are going to make the yummy potato pomegranate mint raita, or the other way around also you can call it. You can say pomegranate potato mint raita. Okay, and the ingredients that we need for this are, this is the curd. Okay, so we need curd. We need pomegranate arils here. Okay. We need boiled and chopped potatoes. Then I have these fresh coriander leaves. These are also finely chopped. And this is the mint powder that I have. You can also take fresh mint leaves and you can wash them and chop them finely to make this raita. Okay. And these are my spices that we are going to add. This is salt, this is black pepper, and this is the jeera powder that I have. This is the roasted cumin seeds that I have powdered. Okay, so this gives a very wonderful taste and flavor to our raita here. So it is an absolutely must when I make raitas and masala buttermilks. So I definitely add this roasted cumin powder with me. Okay, so are you all ready with this? These ingredients? So are you all ready with these wonderful ingredients? The ingredients are so healthy and so wonderful. Okay, so the dish that you're going to make will be an absolutely healthy dish, which will cool your stomach, which will cool your body, and you will feel so nice and good after having it. Okay, so let me see, are you all ready with the ingredients? Let me see everyone, let me see your wonderful plates. Ready? Yes, you can add grated cucumbers also. You can add grated carrots also. So what will it be called then? It will be a mixed vegetable raita then. Okay. So if you want, you can definitely add more of vegetables of your choice. So as of now, we are adding pomegranate and potato and mint and coriander with us. Okay. So if you want, you can add, some of you have this query. So let me just answer it to everyone that yes, we can add grated cucumbers also, and we can add grated carrots also. Onion also, if anybody likes to have onions, you can add. But with pomegranate, I generally do not add onions. With pomegranate, it is a bit sweeter in taste. So I would like to omit that part and just keep it a pomegranate and a potato raita right now. Okay, so if you wish, you can add more vegetables, not a problem. Okay, so I can see almost everybody is ready with the ingredients. Yes, give me a good thumbs up, everyone. Are you ready? Okay, very nice, everyone. And since it is a curd, a curd made dish that we are making raita, and soon the winters are also approaching. So I will advise that don't take a chilled curd from the refrigerator and make it. So we should always have it at room temperature. Always we should have curd at room temperature and not a very chilled one. And if it is possible, we should try and make it at home from the milk that we have. Okay, and also the last thing is we should always have it in the afternoons when it is good sunny weather. Okay, having it in the evenings, few might catch cold, after having it. So we should always take care what food we are having, at what time we are having it. So this is very important in any of the food items that we are having it. We should see the time of the day. We should see how much gap is there while having different kinds of foods, so that we should give our stomach ample of time to digest them also. Okay, so digestion is very important. So we should always try and give gaps between the meals, at least 40-45 minutes gaps between the second thing that we are going to eat. Okay, so for this, I already just mentioned that take care as the winters are approaching. The weather will be cooler in future. So just take care, everyone, to have them in the afternoons when it is good sunny weather. Otherwise, also you can have it if it is at room temperature. Okay. So let's quickly start to make this yummy dish. Okay. So we need a bowl for this. So we need an empty bowl. Everybody ready with the empty bowl? Okay, good job. So I know you will all follow my instructions very nicely. So this is my curd. Okay, I'm pouring curd here. If you want to add more curd, make more of raita, you can add more. Okay. Okay, so this is my curd here. And next is I'm adding little water into it. Okay, so I'll take the water in spoon, or maybe 1/4 of a cup you can add, not too much, so that the raita is not very thick. Okay, so I've added 2 tablespoons right now. So I think I'll add one more to it. Okay, so I think that is it. So are you all done till this step? Let me see quickly. Okay, so I think most of you are done. Most of you are adding curd to your bowls. Okay, very good, everyone. And add little water also, not too much of water. You have to always measure it and then put it. So don't directly put it from the glass, or don't directly put water from the bottles. Okay, because right now you are little kids. Okay, and you might pour a whole lot of water into your bowls, which will make the raita or the curd very runny, and you will not enjoy it. Okay, so always measure it with the cup or a small glass, and then you add it. Or a measuring cup is perfectly fine for this. Okay, so I've added curd. For all those who might have joined late, I would just repeat the ingredients again. We are making the pomegranate potato mint raita. Okay, we are making the pomegranate potato mint raita. And the ingredients we need are curd, pomegranate arils. Okay, so we need pomegranate arils. We need boiled potato, which is finely chopped. Okay, so anybody missing with these ingredients, I'm just repeating them again. So make sure that you have all of these things. So we need curd, pomegranate, we need potato, boiled potato, finely chopped, Then we need a mint powder or mint leaves. You can take the fresh mint leaves and chop them. Then we need the coriander leaves also. If you don't have them, you don't want to use coriander leaves, that is also perfectly fine. Okay, and then I have my spices like salt, black pepper, and then roasted cumin powder. That is the roasted jeera powder that we have. Okay. And the first step that I have done is, so I've added curd in this bowl. In this bowl, I've added curd and then I've added some water, like 3 tablespoons. This is my tablespoon that I'm referring to. So 3 tablespoons of water I have added right now. Okay. So are we all ready and excited to make it? Okay. Let me see. Are you all ready with your curd in the bowls? Let me see. Okay. Good job, everyone. Good job. So now this is my whisker. Okay, you can whisk it with the spoon also, not a problem. If you have this, it is great to make raitas and whisk the curd. So like this, you have to whisk it nicely. So all the water and the curd will mix nicely. And it will be a perfect smooth. The curd will become smooth and creamy. So like this, I'm just whisking it nicely. See, now what I've got is a very smooth curd. I'll just share. See, there are no lumps. The curd is absolutely smooth. If I check it with the spoon, see, it is absolutely smooth and creamy. So some of us, when we make raita, we also add 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of milk. So that is also perfectly fine. You want to add some milk, 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoon, you can do that also. Okay, so I'm done with whisking it nicely. Okay, so the next step is I'll add pomegranate to it. So till now what I've done is I've just added curd, some water, and I've mixed it nicely with the whisker. Okay. Now I'm adding pomegranate to my curd mixture. So I like to add lots of pomegranates, okay? And it is absolutely yummy and healthy if we do so. So it is already looking so beautiful and red in color, right? It is looking so beautiful. Okay, have you all added the pomegranate? Done till this step? Give me a good thumbs up. Let me see. Are you all done? Let me see your plates. Okay. Okay, I can see some of you are enjoying having them too. Some of you are eating them. Okay, very nice. They are very healthy. You should eat them too. And it is not a problem. You should have them. Okay, have it a little and then put the rest of them in your curd. Okay. Okay, so I think everybody is done mostly. So the next step is I'm adding this boiled chopped potatoes. Okay. So I'm adding this boiled and chopped potatoes I have. Okay, so what I've done is I've added curd firstly. I've added some water. I have mixed curd and water very nicely with a whisk. Okay. So this is my whisk. I've mixed curd and water very nicely with this. And as a next step, what I've done is I've added pomegranate to my curd mixture. And I've added boiled chopped potatoes to it. Okay. And then I'm going to add the coriander leaves also. So when we add coriander leaves, the curd becomes absolutely colorful, yummy, and delicious. I personally, love the smell of coriander, the flavor of coriander. It makes the dish so flavorful. And it is so nutritious also. Yes, it is so nutritious. So I've added the coriander leaves, the finely chopped coriander leaves I had. And the next step is, so I'm having this mint powder with me, the dried mint powder. You can take the fresh mint leaves also. Okay, so this is the dried mint powder. So anybody who's interested in making it at home with their moms, you can just dry out the washed leaves of mint, and then when they are completely dry, you can grind them in your mixers and make a powder, nice powder out of it. It gives a very good flavor to some of the Indian curries that we have, or to the raita also. So around half a teaspoon, I'm going to add the powder, or if you have leaves, say 1 tablespoon of leaves you can add. So I've added the mint powder also. Okay. So I've not mixed anything as yet. We'll mix it all together. This looks absolutely lovely and beautiful, right? So are you all following what I'm telling? Are you all able to follow? Any problem or any doubt you have, please write in the chat boxes and we'll be happy to answer. Yes, I mentioned before that you can add more of vegetables to it, like grated carrots and cucumbers also. Okay, some of you wants to add bananas also. Yes, you can chop the bananas, you can add them too, because it will match with the flavor of the pomegranate. It is a bit sweeter in taste, and the bananas are also a bit sweeter in taste. So this will go very well, with the raita. So you can add chopped bananas also. So then it will be pomegranate, banana, potato, raita. It will be a mix of all, the fruits and the vegetables also. Okay, so I've added pomegranates, I've added boiled potatoes, I've added coriander leaves, I've added fresh mint powder. So you can take the fresh mint leaves also. Okay, and as a last step of adding the ingredients, so we'll add our spices. So I'm adding salt. You can add salt to taste. I'm adding just half a teaspoon or less than that also is fine. And then I'm adding black pepper powder. So black pepper powder is, goes very well with the curds. And it is also very good for your throat. Then I'm adding the roasted cumin powder I have, the jeera powder that we have. So 1 full teaspoon I love to add, and maybe a little more than that, see. Okay. So the flavor is absolutely wonderful when we add it. And it makes our curds and raita simply delicious. So if you're not making a raita also, so my little kids, what they can experiment with is, while you're having curd every day with your food, you can just add salt, black pepper and this bhuna jeera powder. So if you add only these 3 things, the curd will be absolutely yummy. Yes. Okay, so are you all finished with adding the ingredients, the lovely ingredients that we have? See, the bowl looks so colorful. It has brown color, it has red color, white color. Okay, it has a potato color, green color leaves. So the more colors are added to the food, the more nutritious it becomes. Okay, so the more colors we use, while making the food, the more nutritious our food becomes. Okay. Okay, let me see your bowls, everyone, the beautiful bowls. Let me see, share them quickly. Okay. Okay, good job, everyone. So time to mix it all nicely. So I'm now mixing them nicely so that all the spices, pomegranate, potatoes, everything is mixed nicely. See, everything is mixed very nicely and this looks so beautiful and wonderful. So we are done with making our raita and time for some garnishing. So whatever spices we have, we can, sprinkle them on the top and we can garnish them. So I have my mint. So I'll just sprinkle them on the top without mixing them fully. So like this, I'm just sprinkling my mint. If you have leaves, you can definitely, top it all with leaves also. You can garnish your raita with the coriander leaves or the mint leaves if you have. So I put in the mint powder. Now I'm putting my cumin powder, the roasted cumin powder I have. See, all the flavors, come very unique in the dish. So whatever flavor you are adding, You will definitely get to taste it in the dish. And for all those who love, a bit of red color, you can add a pinch of the red chili powder also. It will also look lovely on this raita. But if you want a simple raita, not of any chili flavor in it, so it is good like that also. You can add the leaves to garnish them on the top. So here we are. We are ready with the yummy, yummy pomegranate potato mint raita. Okay, we are ready with the pomegranate potato mint raita. It looks lovely and delicious, right, everyone? And I know you all are ready to have them. Let me see your plates. Let me see, are you all ready to? Are you all ready with mixing the ingredients, everyone? Okay, so I know you all are such good and nice kids. You follow all the instructions so nicely. So without having to tell, every time what to do, I can see that almost all of you are following the instructions so nicely. Okay, good job everyone, good job. See, your raitas look more yummy than me, and the way you have garnished, yes, you can also garnish them pomegranate with on the top also. So very nice and very nice ideas you all have. I love you for having so many ideas. Okay, done everyone? Give a good thumbs up if you're done. Okay, done everyone? Let me see how you all are doing it. Okay, so I can see almost all of you have done it, right? Some of you are still mixing them, putting the spices. Yes, put little spices. If you want, you can put more in the end. So for now, just put little spices, especially the black pepper. If it is put more, it will be chili, and you will feel, the chili in your throat also. Okay, so good job everyone. So are we ready to make the next dish together? So before having this yummy raita, just don't forget to click your pictures with it and send it to us. So before having them, before gobbling it up, so just make sure to click wonderful pictures of the yummy raita that you have made. Okay, so let us now clear our workstations, everyone, and be ready for the next yummy dish. And the next dish, it's a promise that you will love to make it and love to have it. So it is most of the kids' favorite items. Yes, it is a truth. It is most of the kids' favorite items in food, that is there. So let me just clean my workstation also. Okay. So any idea what are we going to make next? Any idea what are we going to make next, everyone? Okay. So we are going to make the vegetable pasta salad today. The yummy vegetable pasta salad. Okay, so in this pasta, we'll try and make it a very healthy one. We'll add lots of vegetables to it. Okay, so that it is absolutely healthy and yummy too. So we'll add less of pasta and more of vegetables today. Okay, so it will serve as a side dish to any of our foods that we are having, and we will love to have it. So yes, let us come back to the point of various shapes that come in pastas. Do you know all the shapes? Okay, you must have seen the various shapes. So yes, I can see some of you have started chatting or writing in the chat box. Yes, I'm waiting. Okay, so one of the shape is penne. Very nice. Okay, and let me see more answers. Okay, so butterfly is also there. Very nice. Okay, and then fusli is also there. Okay, good, great. So I just love your answers. Macaroni is also there. Okay, great. Okay, and what else? Okay, so fusli is there, macaroni is there, penne is there. So one of the types is also called as ravioli that we have, ravioli. Okay, and what else we have? Let me see. What else can we have? Butterfly. Yes, we have already got that. Okay, and the vermicelli pasta is also there. Yes. Okay. So good job everyone. So you all have a good knowledge of it because you love to have pastas, right? Okay, so are we all ready and excited to make the vegetable pasta salad? Okay, thumbs up. Okay, so let us again go to our workstations. I'll share the ingredients quickly with all of you, okay? Okay. So the ingredients that we'll be needing is, I'll just share them. Okay, so this is the boiled pasta that I have. So what I've done is I've dipped the pasta. I've dunked all the pasta that I had, in boiling water. Once the water boils, you have to dip the pasta and then add salt and a little oil to that and drain it out when it is cooked. Okay, and then you have to wash it with cold water also so that it doesn't stick with each other. So this I have boiled pasta. What is this shape called? So my little intelligent kids will know it, right? What is this shape of pasta called? Everyone, yes? Yes, yes. Any guesses? Okay, very nice. Yes, it is the penne shaped pasta that we have here. So let me see what all shapes you have today. Okay, some of you have this penne also. Very nice. And what all shapes you have? So I can see the butterflies also. Yes, the spirals are also there. I love the spiral ones also. Okay, some of you have the colored pasta also. This looks so beautiful and the salad will look so colorful and yummy with this, colorful pasta. Okay, so good job everyone. So what all other ingredients that we have is, so I have these tomatoes. So these are the chopped tomatoes that we have. Then I have the grated carrots. Grated carrots go wonderful with the pasta salad. Then I have this capsicum. Capsicum is finely chopped capsicum I have. Okay. Then I have these paneer cubes with me. You can take cottage cheese or the paneer cubes. Okay. Then I have this mayonnaise with me. You can take any mayonnaise or you can take hung curd. Okay. You can take hung curd. You can hang the curd in a muslin cloth for about 2 to 3 hours and then you'll get a very nice creamy curd. You'll get a very nice creamy curd with you. Okay. So you can take hung curd, you can take mayonnaise, you can take a cheese spread. So anything you can take out of these. Anything you can take out of these. Then I have this basil. You can take the fresh basil leaves also or you can take this basil which comes in a box. So I have oregano also with me. So I have oregano also with me. Okay. And I have this one cheese cube which will be, garnishing on the top. We can add them in the while making the salad also. But here we'll be grating this cheese cube on the top. So this is the cheese cube that I have. So any cheese cube you can take or any form of cheese, mozzarella or processed cheese. So this is the Amul processed cheese that I have. Okay, so I will grate it on top of my salad so that it gives a very yummy and lovely flavor and it will look beautiful too. We can add it while adding the salad also, but for now we'll be adding it on the top and garnishing our salad with it. Okay. So for all those who might have missed on the ingredients and maybe joined a little late, so I will just repeat the ingredients, everyone. So in case everybody who has just just have listened to what ingredients we need. So if anything is missing, you can quickly go and grab them in the meantime, and I'll be just repeating the ingredients. Okay, so we are making the vegetable pasta salad. So I have this boiled penne pasta with me. Okay, so I have this boiled penne pasta. We'll be using this today. Yes, you can use any type of pasta. You can use fusilli, you can use the star shape, You can use the ravioli, penne, or the macaroni. Anything you can use, whatever is easily available. So this is the chopped tomatoes that we have. These are the chopped tomatoes. So I have grated carrot. I have grated carrot with me. Then I have finely chopped capsicum. Then I have these paneer cubes. You can take the cottage cheese. This is the fresh paneer cubes that I have taken. Okay, so these will add to a lot of protein content also in our salad. So our salad will be rich in vitamins. While we add the lot of vegetables to it, it will be rich in proteins also. And this is the whole wheat pasta. I would just like to add, this is the whole wheat pasta that I've taken. You can take any pasta that is easily available. Just try and get the whole wheat pastas, since they are more healthy than the normal ones that we get. Okay, so this is the mayonnaise. So I'm using mayonnaise, and I'll be adding little curd also to it to make it thick and creamy. Okay, so if you want, you can add only mayonnaise. You can add the cheese spread. Okay, you can add the cheese spread. You can add hung curd also. So you can just hang around half or 1 cup of curd in a muslin cloth for 2 to 3 hours. So when all the water is drained out nicely, it will be a very thick, creamy, dip that is there. Or the dressing also we can make out of it. So the pasta dressing we'll be making in some time. So I have this basil with me. If you have fresh basil leaves, you can add that too. And I have oregano with me. Also, we will use salt. We will add salt and black pepper also. So all the spices that we have, I have basil, I have oregano, I have salt and black pepper to add. Okay, so let me see, are you all ready with the ingredients, everyone? Are my little kids ready with the ingredients? Yes, let me see the lovely ingredients. Are you all excited and happy to make this yummy, yummy salad together? Okay, so I can see most of you are ready with the ingredients. Okay, then let's just start with the salad, okay? Okay, good job, everyone. So let me keep the ingredients on the side and we'll quickly start. In the meantime, if any one of you are having any of the missing ingredients, okay, you can just quickly grab them. You can quickly grab them. So I will wait for a minute so that everybody comes back. I can see many of you are going to have the missing ingredients too. Okay, so I have, if I just forgot to mention, I have this cheese cube also, which we will grate together. Okay, and add it on top of our salads. Okay. Yes, if you don't have cheese right now, if you have it in your refrigerator, you can quickly go and get it. You can quickly go and get it. So let me see, are you all ready with the bowls and the ingredients? You can be ready with 2 bowls, because in one we'll be making the pasta salad. In the other bowl, we'll be making the dressing of mayonnaise together. Okay. So you be ready with the bowls and the ingredients, everyone. Yes, are you all ready? Okay, let me see quickly. Let me see quickly your workstations, everyone. Okay, so you all are ready with the ingredients. Let's get started with the salad, okay? So firstly, what I'll do is I'll add little curd. So I'll add little curd to make the dressing in my smaller bowl. I'll add some curd. And I'll add some mayonnaise also. You can add 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Okay. And around 2 tablespoons of curd. Or you can completely add you can just add the mayonnaise also. So adding curd will make it more, you can easily mix the mixture or the dressing with the pasta salad. So it will be easy. And then I'll be adding the spices in my dressing only. So this is the dressing that we are making. Anyone who has missed on any of the step, so this is the dressing that we are making. I've added some curd and mayonnaise to this bowl. Okay, I've added the curd and the mayonnaise. If you wish, you can add hung curd as I mentioned earlier. You can add just the mayonnaise or cheese that if you have the cheese spread that you have. Okay, so it will be a very thick form of cheese that you will be having, or mayonnaise also will be very thick. So you can loosen it up, put it in a bowl, or don't want to add curd, that is fine. You can add 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of water to it, so that the mixture is easily you're able to easily mix it with the pasta. And then I'm adding little salt because mayonnaise already has some salt in it. I'm adding little salt for the salad. See, half a teaspoon I'll add to the whole salad. So here I'm going to make a dressing, so I'm not adding much of it, less than half a teaspoon. Then you can add the black pepper also to this. It will be a nice creamy dip that you will have. And not only, you can make salads out of it, you can also use it, while you have your cutlets or your, any of the aloo tikki burgers or any, side dish that you're having. You're having nachos, you're having your crackers, you're having your healthy crackers, healthy savory items. You can just dip them in this. It will be very nice. And now I'm just giving it a quick mix. It will be a nice creamy thick dip that we'll have for our pasta salad, like this. So the mayonnaise and the cheese spread, if we are using, they will be really very thick. You can mix them nicely with little curd. Yes, some of you have a query. You can use 1 teaspoon of milk also. Okay. And water also you can use, not a problem. So this is a nice dip that we have right now. So are you all done till this step? Have you made the dip, everyone? Let me see. So what I've added is I've added mayonnaise, some curd, and salt and black pepper only. So these are the only things that I've added. Okay. So the next step is to add pasta. So we'll add pasta in the bowl. So I've added pasta, and now it is time to add some yummy vegetables. Okay, so I'm getting the queries. Yes, we can add boiled corn also to this pasta salad. It will be very nice. It will be a nice idea to add boiled corns. Okay. And what else? Yes, we can add the boiled mushrooms also. Boiled and blanched mushrooms you can add to this. Broccoli will also go superb with this once the season is there. So you can add broccoli also. And you can add zucchini also. So a lot of vegetable choices we have, while making the pasta salad, and we should always try to use more and more vegetables, while we make these salads, so that they are healthy and at the same time they are yummy also. Okay, they are healthy and at the same time they are yummy also. Okay, everyone. So the next step is to add all the vegetables one by one. So I have taken my carrots, the lovely orange carrots. We'll be having the red carrots soon. Okay, and some areas have started getting the red carrots also. So they are even more juicy and yummy. So I'm adding the carrots here. And then the capsicum. Okay, so I've added carrots and capsicum. Okay, so are you all following? Are you all doing it with me? So I can see your lovely colorful plates. Okay, let me see more of the plates. Let me see more kids doing it so nicely. Okay, good job everyone. Yes, you can add chopped onions also. And you can add garlic powder also. So I love to answer the questions that we have. Okay, so keep sending your questions or the doubts, whichever you might have, and we'll be so happy to answer them. So if I would repeat the steps, if anybody has missed on any steps or joined in late, okay, so I am just repeating my steps here. So I have added mayonnaise in this bowl, okay, and some curd to it so that it loosens it up and it becomes a creamy mixture to add in my salad. We'll be doing it in the end, so I've added mayonnaise and curd to it. You can also add little water or little milk to it. Or you can take hung curd, or you can take the cheese spread also. So anything which is easily available, you can take it. Hung curd will be an absolutely healthy and a yummy option. And I've added salt and black pepper also in this dressing. Okay. So the next step is to add pasta in this bowl. The boiled pasta that we had. Okay. So I added pasta. Then I've added the grated carrots I had. And then I've added the chopped capsicum. So I've added the grated carrots and I have added the chopped capsicum in this. Okay. Then I have this paneer cubes with me. So I'm adding them also. So I've added the paneer cubes also. This will also taste absolutely yum with this pasta salad. Then we have these tomatoes. So there are two ways, in which you can add these tomatoes to your salads. So one way is to add them directly as they are chopped. So one way is to add your tomatoes directly, as they are chopped right now. Or other way is you can just press them so that they are juicy and mushy. Because some of us doesn't like to have tomatoes, the cubes which come in the mouth. So this will release some juices. If you want, you can just mash them with your hand, and then you can just with a spoon, back of a spoon, and then you can add it to your salad. See, it has started becoming juicy. See, if I get it closer, it has started becoming juicy if I'm mashing it nicely, right? So once you mash it, you can add it like that also. If you want to mash it, you can mash it and then you can add it to your salad. So this looks so lovely, right? This looks so lovely and beautiful. Okay, so are we all done till this step? So this is a very easy, very easy salad that the kids can make very easily at home with the help of their parents or the elder brother or sister. So once they have the ingredients ready, it is relatively very easy to make it. Okay, very nice, everyone. I can see so many yummy, yummy ingredients are there. The colorful bowls. So I love the colors in your bowl. Some of you have added boiled corns also. Okay, some of you are adding peas also, the green peas, boiled green peas. Okay, very nice, everyone. Okay, yes, the mushrooms also will go good, yes. And some of you have broccoli also. Okay, very nice. So broccolis are very nutritious and lots of calcium and vitamins are there. So whenever it is available, we should try and have them in some or the other form. We can just blanch it or take them out of the hot water and then just add it to the salads. It will be very yummy. Okay. So the next step is to add the dressing, into our salads. So we will add the dressing to the salads. So whatever dressing that you have made, just add all of it to the salad. So you have to collect it from all the sides of the bowl like this. Okay. So that nothing is wasted while we make the yummy food together. Okay, so I've added all my creamy, yummy, wonderful dip here. And next I'm going to add the oregano. So I'm taking around 1 teaspoon of oregano. I just love the flavor of oregano in my salads. So oregano goes really well with the salads, okay? So I've added the oregano. And then I'm adding basil. So I just showed this is the basil I have. I'm adding little basil also, not much. Little I'll add around half a teaspoon. Okay, so are we all done till this step, everyone? Let me see your plates. Okay, let me see your plates, everyone. Okay, they look wonderful. Yes, you can add cheese spread. I mentioned that earlier. You can add cheese spread also. Okay, if you don't have any of these things, so if you don't have, say, you don't have mayonnaise, you don't have hung curd also, you don't have cheese spread. So what are we going to do? Any idea, anybody? Okay, so very simple. What we can do is we can take the fresh cream out of the milk that we have in our refrigerators or the malai that we have, right? The malai that we have. So most of us don't like the taste of it, and some of us just love it. So those of us who love it, we can also add. We can take the malai or the fresh cream in a bowl, add salt and pepper a little, give it a good mix, and then we can add it to the pastas also. So in case we are not having any of the ingredients which I mentioned, we can yes use the malai also. This will also taste nice. Maybe not as good as the other ingredients or the mayonnaise, but yes, it will be nice and thick and creamy pasta for us. Okay, so now what are the remaining ingredients to be added? Only salt and pepper. So let us go ahead and add some salt and pepper. Remember, we added salt in the dip. So we're not adding more salt now. We're adding little salt, less than half a teaspoon. And some pepper because we added black pepper to our dip also. So some black pepper we'll add. Okay, and then we are going to give it a very good mix like this. So that all the creamy ingredients, pasta, vegetables, okay, the spices, oregano, basil are nicely mixed with each other. We can use green chilies also, and we can use some mint leaves in this salad also. And mint leaves are so good and healthy, and they give a good very flavor to the salads also. So if you want, you can add some mint leaves also to your salad. Okay, so like this you have to mix it really nice so that it is very creamy. So at this point, if you want to add more of mayonnaise, you can add more of mayonnaise also. So I like my pasta this way, so not adding more of mayonnaise. This tastes very yummy like this. So I've added everything and given it a good mix. Okay, and now I'll transfer it to my serving plate also. I'll transfer everything to my serving plate also. And if you want, we can garnish it with some vegetables that are there. We can keep some vegetables for garnishing also. And nicely we'll transfer it to our serving trays or plates. See, this looks so beautiful and colorful with lots of carrots, capsicums, and if I've added corns, paneer cubes, we are left with garnishing it, right? We are left with garnishing it with our grated cheese. So this looks lovely, right? Okay, it is not yet over. So one last step is remaining. So let me see, are you all done till this step? Everyone, yes, let me see your beautiful plates together. Let me see. Okay, good job, good job. Yes, I can see many of you have done it. And many of you are mixing and many of you are transferring it to your plates. Very nice. Okay, the last step that we are doing it here is, so I'm just grating the cheese cubes. You can have the cheese cubes grated, or if it is a safe, grater that you have, you can always grate it yourself. But very carefully, you have to be very careful. Don't cut your hands or fingers. You have to be very careful. If you need help from your elders, your parents, you can just take it. Okay, and you can just grate it and keep it. So I'll just grate it quickly on top of it. On top of my salad, I'll directly grate it so that it is very nice, yummy, cheesy salad. See, it looks so beautiful. I'll just share it with you. So I'm adding it, grating it directly on my salad. Okay, I'm just adding it, grating it very nicely. It looks so beautiful. Looks so beautiful. See? Okay. So we are done with grating the cheese. So whatever cheese we are having in the workstations, either we can have it or we can put it on our salads, right? And in the end, I will just garnish it with some of my basil, which will look great, I know. On top, if I just sprinkle little basil or oregano, it will look great, and it will make the dish very flavorful and beautiful. Okay, so our yummy vegetable pasta salad is ready, everyone. So this looks so wonderful, creamy, yummy, cheesy salad, right? The vegetable pasta salad is ready for everyone. And I know you cannot control to have it. It looks so yummy and tasty. Yes, if you want to convert it into a red sauce pasta salad, you can always, add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup to your dip that you have made or the dressing that you have made. So it will be a nice creamy red sauce pasta salad also. Let me see, are you all done? See, this looks so beautiful and drooling. Right? This looks beautiful. So are you all done making this yummy salad together? Okay, so this looks wonderful and yummy. Right? Okay, your salads look so beautiful, wonderful. Yes, some of you have added the boiled corns. You can top it also on the top also. It will look great on the salads. Yes, you can add the coriander leaves also for garnishing, the mint leaves also. Okay, let me see. Are you all done? Your plates are looking so beautiful. What a wonderful job everyone has done. And I'm so happy you are following the instructions so nicely. And that means you are such good kids, everyone. Good job. I hope you all loved making this salad, with me and the raita with me, and you will all enjoy it. So whenever any guest comes at your place, do make these yummy dishes and serve them. They will be amazed at what wonderful dishes you have made. And such little kids are making such good dishes with so much efforts. Okay, so do share the pictures of your pasta salad and the raita that you have made today with me. So we would love to see the pictures. We would love to see them, have a closer look at them. We will be happy, extremely happy to see them. Do share it with us on Yellow Class, pages. So Yellow Class page, Facebook page, and do share the feedback also. We would love to have it. Okay, so take care, everyone. Stay safe and stay